Hello, tech enthusiasts! Get ready for a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. OpenAI, the leader in AI, has just dropped a bomb. They call it ChatGPT 03. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. ChatGPT 03 is here to change how we think about AI. Forget what you knew about ChatGPT 01. This is a whole new level. ChatGPT 03 is smarter, faster, and more powerful. It can solve complex problems that would make its predecessor sweat. This is the future of AI, and it's here today. Stay tuned as we dive deep into what makes ChatGPT 03 so special. So what's the hype about ChatGPT 03? Let's break it down. Imagine an AI that can understand your questions like a human. Now imagine it can solve them even better. That's ChatGPT 03 in a nutshell. It comes in two flavors, 03 and 03 Mini. Both are incredibly powerful. But the real magic is in the private chain of thought. ChatGPT 03 uses this to plan its answers. It's like having an AI strategist. This means more accurate answers and faster problem solving. ChatGPT 03 is not just answering your questions, it's thinking them through. Alright, time to talk numbers. When it comes to performance, the details matter. Let's dive into the specifics and see what makes ChatGPT 03 stand out. ChatGPT 03 is a beast when it comes to performance. It's designed to handle massive amounts of data with ease, ensuring that responses are not only quick, but also accurate. We're talking about crushing benchmarks left and right. Whether it's speed, accuracy, or reliability, ChatGPT 03 consistently outperforms its predecessors. Take the GPQA Diamond, a test with super tough science questions. This isn't your average quiz. It's designed to challenge even the most advanced AI systems. ChatGPT 03 aced it with 87.7%. But wait, there's more. This score is a testament to its advanced understanding and processing capabilities. ChatGPT 03 scored a whopping 71.7% on SWE Bench Verified. This test evaluates the AI's ability to handle complex software engineering tasks. This test is all about solving real-world coding problems. It's a rigorous assessment that only the best can excel in, and ChatGPT 03 did just that. ChatGPT 01 could only manage 48.9%. This stark difference highlights the significant improvements made in the latest version. Need more proof? ChatGPT 03's Codeforce's ELO score is 2,727, showcasing its prowess in competitive programming environments. While ChatGPT 01 lags behind at 1,891. This gap underscores the leap in performance and capability. The numbers speak for themselves. Each metric, each test score paints a clear picture of ChatGPT 03's superiority. ChatGPT 03 is in a league of its own. It's not just about being better. It's about setting new standards in AI performance. Let's be clear. ChatGPT 01 was impressive, but ChatGPT 03, it's like comparing a bicycle to a rocket. Both have their uses, but ChatGPT 03 is on another level. Both models have a 200,000 token input context window. That means they can process a lot of information. However, ChatGPT 03 has a secret weapon. Its knowledge is up to date as of October 2023. That gives it a massive advantage. Whether it's coding, math, science, or just thinking logically, ChatGPT 03 leaves ChatGPT 01 in the dust. It's the clear winner for anyone who needs the best AI has to offer. Section 5 Safety First. How ChatGPT 03 stays secure. With great power comes great responsibility, right? OpenAI knows this. That's why ChatGPT 03 is built with safety in mind. They've introduced deliberative alignment, a new safety feature. Think of it as ChatGPT 03's moral compass. This feature uses a chain of thought approach to keep ChatGPT 03 in check. It prevents the AI from going rogue or being misused. OpenAI isn't taking any chances. They've even given early access to safety and security experts. These experts are putting ChatGPT 03 through its paces until January 10, 2025. Safety and security are top priorities for OpenAI. Section 6. ChatGPT o3, when and how to access it. This section will guide you through the essential details on when and how you can access the latest version of ChatGPT, known as o3. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional looking to leverage advanced AI, this information is crucial. Now for the million-dollar question, when can you get your hands on ChatGPT o3? Mark your calendars. The anticipation has been building up, and the wait is almost over. OpenAI announced ChatGPT o3 on December 20th, 2024. This announcement has generated a lot of buzz in the tech community, and for good reason. The advancements promised in this version are groundbreaking, but here's the catch: o3 Mini is coming first. This scaled-down version will give users a taste of what's to come, allowing them to experience some of the new features ahead of the full release. It will be available to the public in January 2025. This initial release will help users get accustomed to the new interface and functionalities. Want the full-blown o3 experience? The complete version of ChatGPT o3 will offer a suite of advanced features designed to enhance productivity and creativity. There's a ChatGPT Pro subscription for that. This premium plan is tailored for power users who need the most advanced capabilities. It costs $200 per month. While this might seem like a significant investment, the value it offers is unparalleled. That might sound steep, but it's a steal for what you get. The subscription includes access to a range of powerful tools and features that can transform the way you work. You'll have access to o1, o1 Mini, GPT-4o, Advanced Voice, and o1 Pro mode. These tools are designed to cater to various needs, from simple tasks to complex projects. That's right, all the AI power you could ask for. With ChatGPT o3, the future of AI is at your fingertips, ready to help you achieve more than ever before. Section 7. Reshaping the Future. The Potential of ChatGPT o3. The arrival of ChatGPT o3 is a watershed moment. It's not just another AI tool, it's a glimpse into the future. This technology has the potential to reshape entire industries. Imagine developers writing code at lightning speed with ChatGPT o3 as their co-pilot. Think about researchers using ChatGPT o3 to solve complex scientific mysteries. Businesses can use ChatGPT o3 to automate tasks and boost productivity. The possibilities are endless. ChatGPT o3 is not just about today. It's about building a smarter, more efficient tomorrow. Section 8. The future is here. How ChatGPT o3 impacts us. Let's get personal. How will ChatGPT o3 impact our daily lives? In more ways than you can imagine. Imagine writing an email and having ChatGPT o3 perfect your grammar and tone. Need help with a school assignment? ChatGPT o3 can be your study buddy. Stuck on a coding problem? ChatGPT o3 can help you find the solution. It's like having a super intelligent assistant available 24/7. ChatGPT o3 is here to make our lives easier, more productive, and more efficient. It's about empowering us with the power of AI. Section 9. Wrapping up, the dawn of a new AI era. The release of ChatGPT o3 marks a new era in artificial intelligence. This groundbreaking technology is set to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and data. With its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT o3 is not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of what AI can achieve. It's smarter, more capable, and more versatile than anything we've seen before. Imagine an AI that can understand context, emotions, and even anticipate your needs. ChatGPT o3 is designed to be a true companion in both personal and professional settings, making life easier and more efficient. ChatGPT o1 was impressive, but ChatGPT o3 makes it look like a child's toy. The leap in technology is akin to moving from a bicycle to a spaceship. The advancements are not just incremental, they are exponential, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. From smart homes to intelligent workplaces, ChatGPT o3 is seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating a smarter, more connected world. Embrace the change, because ChatGPT o3 is here to stay. This is not a fleeting trend, but a significant shift in how we perceive and utilize technology. The potential applications are limitless, from healthcare to education and beyond. This is just the beginning. As we continue to explore the capabilities of ChatGPT o3, we are only scratching the surface of its potential. The journey ahead is filled with endless possibilities and exciting innovations. As ChatGPT o3 continues to learn and evolve, who knows what amazing things it will achieve? The AI is designed to adapt and grow, becoming more intuitive and responsive with each interaction. The future of AI is not just about machines, it's about enhancing human potential. One thing's for sure, we're on the cusp of an AI revolution, and ChatGPT o3 is leading the charge. The dawn of this new era promises to bring unprecedented changes and opportunities, making our world more innovative and interconnected than ever before.